Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open Keypad during call on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. If I make a call, then let's hold on a second, I'm just gonna answer it. Okay, now if I want to open a keypad, I'll need to simply click on keypad right here. And I think it's especially useful if you're, for example, calling to some help desk or any other call center and they just ask you to press on 2 to continue, whatever, then you can just press on 2 and it does that. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.